Welcome back to the channel. Now the people that said the first them say love turned to hate so fast. The Prime Minister himself said the opposition had welcomed the news and decision that Miss Holness, or Mrs. Holness rather, would be the new House Speaker. But the people want to say with the Prime Minister being the head of state and his wife being the head of Parliament, are the Holness is the new royal family and his King's House now Buckingham Palace? But before we get into that, we're going to turn your attention to something we see take place downtown, where for years the scenario take place. I want to hear no elected officials talk about it, even though downtown Kingston has strongholds for both political parties, namely the party in government. I'm going to say what I go on and then we'll continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
Alright, officer, alright.
Now tell me what the people really got to do. It's almost like every couple months, municipality police circle them same people and do the same thing again. While we all know downtown are the commercial hub. But it's like the state that say, people don't just go downtown to visit the wholesale them. People go there to visit the market. People go there to buy goods from the Igla them too. And this help generate GDP. But the people must say clearly, the state now support small businesses. Because even though there's something frequently, we hardly hear Parliament talk about it. Local government elections keep on there. What the council did say, how come all now, municipality and Igla them can't come together and them designate one of them street where they're closer to the city centre for the people them can do them business plan. Choose one of these streets where them already now maintain, where car already can't drive pan. Cause Carter it said, tell him how him you to survive if him don't make no money. And politicians come on TV and show people them big pretty smile. But nothing funny is that they not look on the life of the people them living. No one of the other stories making headlines today. Tell me what you think though. Comment section open. Now clearly, the opposition at first, nobody does nothing about the Prime Minister's wife being the House Speaker. Meaning one family either state and either Parliament. I don't know them never say nothing about it at that time. But now, my voice them concerns. After the letter that was sent to the Secretary has been made public, the man also asked for an apology. But some people are saying the problem with them have is that there's a no perceived or there's no perception that there's favoritism being showed to the House Speaker's husband's party. Now, while there have been House Speakers in the past who have been aligned to political parties, never have we ever seen a House Speaker who is the wife of a prime minister, who is also an elected official herself. Some people can say with all of these factors, can somebody truly be unbiased? Now think about it. A man a leader of the next party, prime minister. This is almost like instinct to protect a family. So of course, that's going to be a running narrative, which I feel like the prime minister had probably expected. And that's why I'm constantly to point out, say, the opposition only start to say something because of political reasons. Because when the decision was made, he must say them congratulate him wife. They never have no problem with it. But no, for political reasons, they must say, he look away. Thing is though, the people must start to agree. And with no talks being made by the administration that has by as soon as 2025, there'll be no more connections between Jamaica and the British monarchy and a level of governance. Because even though for years now, all of the bad decisions politically have been made by Jamaicans, Jamaican elected officials. So some people, they even really sure how the monarchy still govern the island. Can explain in a few ways. Through the Governor General, which even though a country gains independence, but most country will still have that connection with the monarch through the Governor General. So the JDF, people are considered the Jamaica Defence Force, are actually members of the Queen's Guard. So them actually, that's why every time there's a state of emergency and they need soldiers, they must also ask the Governor General. The name basically says it all. Now with no link to the Queen, there will be no Governor General. I don't know what going on with the JDF. And I probably just do some form of ceremony and hand over the JDF to the Jamaican government. You know, ceremony wouldn't even keep. The people must have the problem with that though. With no connections to the British monarchy. With one family politically dominating the political landscape. Will this family be the new kings and queens of the Jamaican island? Is this the new plan of the administration? Keep in mind, for that to be done, the Prime Minister would have to win the next election. Surprisingly though, we see a poll where I say the Prime Minister is still leading the opposition leader in popularity. So despite what going on, he's still the more favoured to win. And some would say, based on the statistics, still the more liked. So that poll would also suggest say the Prime Minister and the party would have win again. Now some skeptics are say, where was this poll conducted? Of course, I'm telling you the age group and where. Some people are saying with these results, this must have been done at campaign headquarters. They sound like only people from the party took part in this survey. But that's what they say. Now, some people that say, all of the opposition I say about Mrs. Holness has done nothing. And what take place with local government elections and her winning her seat shows that the people still have strong support for the family. And some people say keep in mind that for 18 years, one political party did rule the Jamaican island. And that party and speculation, both parties would wish, I would hope to always win general elections. So right now, the Holness-led administration hope is to win the next general election. And also the one after that. And if them could, the one after that and the one after that and the one after that. Same with the opposition. So when some people say this administration has the same plans to politically dominate the country for the next, however long them can, in a far-fetched and a speculation, because both political parties want to do this. But will this be possible? At the moment now, we see where there is certain members of the party we don't really agree with the leadership. And some of that is upon both sides, opposition and the administration in power, JLP and PNP. There are people who don't believe some are going to lead the PNP. And we say after now, we say some people don't believe say the Prime Minister is no longer fit to run the country. As we ever said though, because politics is still based on likability. We not see another elected official in the party. We have the same level of likability as the Prime Minister. You can tell me you think if you think different, but based on what we see. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me you think. If you're new to the channel, just pass through. Of course, subscribe icon and then the bell icon. And then put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share and tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. The comment section 24/7, it never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, or we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now a quick recap. Municipality police and downtown higglers at it again. All now we not see a solution being crafted by the state for these small business owners, and them help contribute to the GDP and to downtown Kingston being considered, or to continue being considered as the commercial hub for the Jamaican island. People also say it is strange how the lover turn hate. Prime Minister himself pointed out that the opposition had no problems with his wife being the House Speaker. But all of a sudden now, they might find all different type of fault. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Don't tell the reason again. My sentiments for you and yours. If you want to live, love and prosper, if you want to stay tuned. Tell me what you think. Should the government should have already found a solution for what take place downtown? Or the false and the things where the opposition are talking about the House Speaker? Are they simply nothing to worry about? Trivial. And the other things what they matter about, as the House Speaker has already addressed and fixed that. And is the opposition just now talking about it for talk about its sake? Because all issues have been addressed and fixed. Talk to me in the comment section. Live, love and prosper. And stay tuned.